I mean, you could literally just use the hammer. We're doing brakes and the wheel bearing and the seal. I already installed this bearing. The axle shaft on this side is new. The bearing was completely gone. You could see here, Ada grew into it, and this had lay. I mean, you could literally just move it. That's the seal on the floor. So you gotta open this up. We drain the oil. You then push the shaft in like that, and you can remove that C-clip. Grab it with a magnet or something, pull it out. So I already put it in, and then you push out like that to lock it in place. On this side, I use this puller. This is the old bearing. You just slip it in behind, tighten it, and then use the hammer it out, and with an installer, hammer the new one in. I'm waiting for the seal to get here. We're gonna put the seal on and install the old shaft. This shaft is also a little bit eaten, but the customer declined to replace it. So you can see there where it's hit it a little bit, where the old bearing was going out. We're gonna put the old shaft back on and see how long it lasts. I'm gonna replace the brakes because the shoes on this side, as you can see, are full of oil. The seal was leaking pretty bad. We'll put the brakes new and then get the rest of it put together. All right, we got the seal in. I lubed it up a little bit. Drop this axle in, put this C-clip here, and push it out. We got the pin in. Put a little Loctite on this. We'll tighten this down. Okay, we got this tightened. I'm gonna clean this up, get the cover cleaned, and then we'll put it on. All right, got the silicone on it. Click, 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 click. We're gonna replace these brake shoes.
If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about bending. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the password, back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping the page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing. Doing them heels, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. Better get so baby, we gonna dip. Was I bad in them apartments? Started hitting the target, started flooding the market, started moving smarter until we rose about the garden. Stack it up.
All right, we got these two on. I put these first to hold them in place while we put the rest of the hardware on.
I just did 10, gotta go. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Go, 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 go.
All right, this side's ready. We'll put the rotor on and adjust it, and this side should be good.
Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same bobcat, same old boots. Trying to outrun the thought of you, but understanding the truth don't stop. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't run the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this now stays mine.
We're gonna put the fan clutch. This one's locked up. We took off this tube here, and I already took off the two bolts that hold the shroud. Now we're just gonna loosen the fan. All right, so whoever was here before used this bolt to hold the fan shroud. As you can see, it's too long. I don't know if you can see it there, but it made a hole in the radiator. Here we go, we're getting it off. All right, so I'm gonna put this tube back on here, put the little cover back on, fire it up, test drive it, should be good to go.